What's up guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we drove over 600 kilometers to Victoria Bay campsite.
We're going to be spending the weekend here as SA Master Surfing Champs is taking place, as you can hear behind us. But first, let me give you a quick tour of our campsite, and we're just going to chill this evening and give you some cinematics. So that was the last 3 days of staying at Victoria Bay campsite.
We've been on the road for about 2 months now, and since everybody characterizes the Jimny as such a small vehicle, we decided to show you guys everything that we can fit in.
So we put everything that we own right now and traveling with outside here, and now we're going to just pack it into the car just to show you exactly how much we got and what we're traveling with and how much fits into this little car here behind us.
And another thing to note is using the roof as extra storage, because you can fit a lot on top of the car as well.
So let's get to the packing.